Hey everyone, so as the title suggests, how to make a timetable that actually works. So in this video, we are going to cover and we are going to understand some basic things which you need to know before making an actual schedule. Okay, so now let's start from the start. Before making any kind of schedule, you should know that what are your goals for this month, just particular this month, no longer than this month. Because once you know in which direction you are running, your path, your way becomes way more easier than when you do not actually know that where you want to be by the end of this month and what are your goals for this month. Now before starting to make any kind of schedule, just note down what are your goals for this month. Like for me, it could be completing cardiovascular system or scripting 3 to 5 YouTube videos which actually put an impact on people's life, maintaining my mental health. So these are the some topics, these are the some goals which I have to complete by the end of this month. So this is what is called like having a bird's eye view. So now what is bird's eye view? So bird's eye view allows you to see where you want to be by the end of this month, and it also makes you see that where you are currently. So where you want to be, the future view, and where you are currently. This is what a bird's eye view makes you to see, and it shows you the difference, and the timetable you make, it bridges the gap between these two, the current you and the future you, so that you become what you want by the end of this month and you are able to achieve your goals. So this is what a bird's eye view is. But whenever you make your schedule according to bird's eye view, don't forget to mention the things apart from academics and the things which revolve around you, like having fun with your family, watching movies, number of series you want to complete, the books you want to read, also if you want to travel to any place. So make sure to include all these things too, not just your academics, so that you are not frustrated and you are not burdened by or overwhelmed by any of the studies part or say anything. Whenever you are about to make your bird's eye view timetable, make sure you include all these things: academics, your fun part, your traveling part, or the things which you like doing, or say meditation. Okay, so make sure you include all these things. Now coming towards the part 2 of the video, that is assign particular time interval for a particular task. For example, you have to complete 4 chapters of pathology, 2 chapters of pharmacology, 2 of microbiology. So now you know that how much time you need to give for each particular subject, and within that time interval you have to complete those subjects. Now that brings on to another part, that is knowing your caliber. Now you may see numerous videos on YouTube where people study medicine, surgery for hundreds of hours, like the entire day, and that may depress you. So you did not worry, you should know your caliber, you should know your potential कि हाँ मैं इतने टाइम में इतना ही पोर्शन कंप्लीट कर पाऊंगी और इतने टाइम में मुझसे इतना ही हो पाएगा. Assigning time based according to your caliber is very much important. Do not compare yourself with anybody else. Know you are the best and be your own competition, so that in long term it won't affect your studies and it also won't affect your mental health, because in medical colleges, in medical hostels, maintaining your mental health is as equally important as maintaining your physical health or clearing out your academics. Okay, after knowing in which direction I have to go, I will plan out on what day I have to do what, so that I have a basic idea कि आज के दिन में मुझे ये complete करना है, कल मुझे ये complete करना है. Now you have written so many things in your bird's eye view, so उसमें से भी कुछ चीज़ें ज़्यादा important है. So you have to filter out the most important things from your bird's eye view, that is prioritize and categorize. So you have 24 hours in a day if you're still on the earth watching this video. So out of these 24 hours, you say you sleep for 6 hours, still you have 18 hours in your hand. Out of these 18 hours, you spend 9 hours doing absolutely nothing. Still you have got complete 9 hours in which you can do anything that is of productivity according to you. It's what people do in these 9 hours defines them who they are and where they are going in the future. So make sure you utilize these 9 hours very carefully. How to actually follow a schedule that you have made? See, everyone sets their goal in the morning कि आज मैं ये करूँगी, आज ये complete कर दूँगी. But many of them don't even complete 40 to 50% of it. So there could be 2 reasons for the same. Reason number 1, the task is unmotivating. Reason number 2, lot of distractions. And me as a hostler, I have a lot of distractions. I don't say I can complete all of the tasks which I have written down. I feel most of the times I don't even complete 50% of them which I have written down, but at least I'm trying. So this is what you have to do. You just have to try. You just have to keep going. You just don't have to give up on yourself. And the thing which keeps you going, which keeps you moving forward is that one motivation, that one why. If you have why cleared, then how becomes easy. focus more on removing the distractions, decluttering all the distractions you have. Like for example, turn off all the notifications from your phone, or just keep away your phone away. Just keep your phone away from yourself. You can keep it in the cupboard and you can go to the library and study. Okay, there are many things which you can come up with to get rid out of all the distractions. Say if you can't study when there are a lot of people, go to the library or go to the terrace or sit outside the corridor. Okay, you can do anything if you want to do. Other than this, all are just excuses you give to yourself कि छोड़ नहीं करना, कल कर लेंगे. It's not like that. आज लिखा है तो आज ही करना है. Except any other serious situations which come up due to which you cannot complete the task, that are okay. Give yourself a time interval कि okay, ये time पे I will scroll my Insta, ये time पे I will take my phone and YouTube देखूँगी, कोई movies देख लूँगी. Just give a particular time interval to yourself. I don't say कि I do this daily, but at least 2 to 3 days a week you can try, and from that is where your habit begins. There are many things which you can try out, but the most important thing, the most important element which lies is here. That is your willpower. The moment you decide कि करके ही रहूँगी, the moment you try to make your willpower stronger, is the movement you are succeeding towards your goal. Also make sure to keep a track of all your activities. Okay, say in a notebook which has all the things that you did in a particular day in a short format, so that if you have not been productive for today, you will feel guilty and you will be more active for doing your task for tomorrow. Okay, because you have not been productive today, so the next day you will ultimately be working towards your goal more hard. Okay, also don't forget to reward yourselves at particular intervals when you achieve or when you complete your small task. Last part of the video, after you have watched the video till end, 50% of the people won't even apply the things which I have talked about in this video, but the remaining 50% of them will actually go and work on it. Just remember that it won't happen just spontaneously, or it won't just happen in one night. It will take time. It will progress gradually, slowly and slowly. You will start to notice changes in yourself once you are dedicated, you are disciplined towards your goal which you want to achieve by the end of this month. And if you like this video, make sure you will check out my other videos too. I hope you will like them too. And please subscribe, because every single of you matters and I have my love and respect to every single of you. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, bye. Take care, stay happy, stay healthy and chill मार के पढ़ो. Okay? Bye.